No one likes unpleasant surprises, and when it comes to commercial buildings in the greater Tampa Bay area, SEC Inspections is the best way to avoid an expensive one. Hi, I'm Dan Menikheim.
And I'm Melissa Menikheim, and we're the owners of SEC Inspection Services, where every one of our inspectors are good lookers. We can perform any type of commercial real estate inspection, including those for high-end residential properties and commercial inspections. Our commercial inspection services can save you tens of thousands of dollars on costly repairs.
We've been easy to do business with since 1999, but don't take our word for it.
Check out our 5-star reviews from our growing list of satisfied clients. SEC Inspection Services, Tampa Bay's foremost commercial inspection company.